Something happened. Something really bad happened.
Leave it to me.
Off the tire. We're gonna have to pull into pit row.
Come here!
He just started following arrows.
There's arrows right there.
Yeah, that's for the course.
What is up, you guys? My name is Gabe Cruz. This is Carlos Lastra, Fetty Potter, Uzi Walker, and behind the camera is Aussie Dan. And we're here for an epic drift trike obstacle race.
This is officially my first trike video.
This is. Congratulations.
We'll see how I do.
Welcome to the club.
That was a good high five.
Your career is now over. Fetty has a whole drawn out map of the Braille House to scale on his whiteboard, and he spent about 30 minutes this morning just painstakingly drawing every little arrow for where the course would go. Real quick, we're gonna run you through this course, and then every single person, me, Fetty, Carlos, Uzi, Aussie, Mario, every single person in the Braille House, even Nick, is gonna participate in this time trial. And then one final attempt, and then everyone will be timed from beginning, from start line to the end line, and whoever has the best time will win.
What do we win?
Nothing.
It'll be decided at the end.
You bring your trike up here. Wheels have to be touching the wall. Then you start. Jump on.
Who made this starting line? Very well done, Aussie. Good job.
So now
Found
we
it.
go this way. So now we go this way. So we get down this ramp.
Okay, we're going down here, and then we have to go straight.
We're going to the wall.
We're going to the, oh God, I can't hit the wall. Are you trying to kill me?
Oh, I forgot that was in this.
Oh no. This is scarier than I
And
thought.
there's a rail in the middle.
Oh my God.
We'll just cut that out.
All right, let's get on track.
Let's get, oh. Hey Mario. You're in this, so you better pay attention.
All right, what am I doing?
Now you come over here. The right side of the rail specifically.
Yeah.
Okay, I have a question. What happens if you mess up on the course?
So if you hit an obstacle, that's plus 5 seconds.
Oh, okay. Oh, interesting. Okay.
Like if you move it.
Yeah, like if you hit it and it moves. It doesn't matter how high you get.
You just have to.
You just have to
You
touch
just have
it.
to touch it.
It's the turning around.
You just,
Okay.
It's just a turnaround.
Okay, so we stay on this side of the rail.
Yep.
If you get impaled by the rail and it draws blood, minus 30 seconds. And you guys gotta make sure you keep an eye on the arrows, okay? And then you have to go up this,
And grind.
and you have to grind on this.
But not
Not the whole thing.
No, just like.
Just part of, you just have to get on there.
I'll make a rule. You can go up. You don't have to grind. If you do grind, you can grind and get off like right here. So then, yep, you go this way. Right? Then you gotta go around the box. No cutting that way. So around the box.
Hey, what's wrong with the arrows?
You're confusing, dude.
But if you pay attention, it'll be fine.
Yeah, just pay attention, Mario.
All right.
Then you curve all the way outside.
Curve outside?
Yep.
Yep,
What
you
in
go
the
this
world?
way.
Like a figure eight?
Yeah.
Okay, you go around here. There's a guy on an actual bike with his son. Okay, you turn, you stop, turn around.
Back here,
Jeez.
you're gonna be tired after this.
Yes, I am.
Then you go back up here.
Back up the ramp,
Yep.
Lancetown. Drift around here.
That's why the arrows overlap.
Okay, makes sense. Hello, Sophie, how are you?
Then you go down. You can drift this as tight as you want and finish.
That's about a 5-minute course.
Okay, I'm gonna practice run it.
No.
How about Fetty is the last person that should probably dry run because he built the course and is
Actually,
the
yeah.
most experienced on
How
the
about
drift trike?
Uzi?
So how about I do it?
What's your review?
I think I quit. So that was the single most exhausting thing I've ever done in my entire existence, but now I have to do it again, and so does Fetty. So we're all gonna Rochambeau at the same time to see who goes first.
All right.
No freaking way.
What the heck?
Carlos said he wanted first. He got first.
Whoa.
Whoa!
You too.
So you two for last. Whoa!
Oh, wait.
No, that was fine.
You're third. I'm
Okay,
fifth.
so the order is Carlos, Uzi, Dan, me, Aussie Dan, Fetty, Mario, and then Nick.
Saving
I'm
the
gonna go
best
right
for
down right
last.
now. Let's go.
Because we need times as well.
What are your expectations?
Very low.
Very
Myself?
low. For myself, I don't even think I'll be able to grind
I
anything.
can. I've done this before, but I've fallen.
I don't even want to try. I don't want to die today.
There's no way to even get up the freaking 5-stair.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh God. Oh no. This thing has that noise. Okay. Oh, I just grinded. Okay. Okay. Now I go down around the box, okay? Down. Oh, 5 points! Dang it. Okay. Now how's that? I don't know. I miss anything? Oh my goodness, that was tough. I lost 5 seconds till I hit something. Was that it? Did I miss anything? Because I wanted to be steezy. It's my first time, you know? Ready to play, ready to play.
Say that again.
119.27.
119.27.
So that's with the 2 plus 5 violations, 1 for missing the turn, 1 for hitting the box. How'd that grind feel?
Actually, I'm so tired from pedaling, I can't even think straight. I'm trying
Well,
to
you
focus on my
you
lung.
did have to reach for the pedals.
Okay, yeah, that was one, and then I knew I wasn't gonna remember all the course, so apparently I have 2 violations, so that's my bad. But
That's not
you know,
bad, though.
overall,
2
not too bad,
violations
not too bad, not too bad. For
On a
first try.
duct taped arrowed course, not too bad.
All right, well, good luck, guys.
No. Wow. Wow. Where do I go? Wow. My legs are burning.
That was unbelievable.
52.30.
I literally just pedaled as fast as I could the whole time.
How do you feel? Wheels helped.
Yeah, probably.
Does that mean I'm up? Yeah. I think I'm gonna go for the worst time possible. For Becky.
For Becky.
Actually, I can't do it for Uzi's girl. Okay, why does everyone's wheel like this? I just want a structurally sound drift trike, man. I'm so scared. Yes. Ah, my butt! Oh my God, I'm so tired. Oh my gosh. I greatly underestimated the amount of leg strength it would take to do that. How bad was that, Fetty?
1 minute.
Really? That's pretty good. Hey, that's not bad at all. I am totally happy with that. That's not bad at all. That's actually pretty good. No violations or anything. I'd consider that a success. Thank you guys for all of your support. Fetty, you gave me the power. Oh dear goodness. Wait, I'm breathing so hard. I can't feel my legs. I actually consider myself a somewhat healthy person, and I actually feel like I'm going to die on the inside. Oh, are you good yet? How long does this last?
I don't know. I'm running at the 10-minute mark.
When will this end?
It's like triathlon, I don't know. Tour de France, this course on tricycles.
I guess so.
3, 2, 1, go.
That was a terrible start. Whoa! Oh no! Oh! I should have taken the other one. That doesn't count. Oh. No, because I did it on the other track and I slid around them perfectly. And then this gripped. And then I almost fell. Oh, but I would have been behind Gabe by like, oh man, look what that did.
You just closed your exercise ring, man. There you go.
Wait, Fetty, you need this.
Are you playing with the freaking Tamagotchi pet?
Yeah, look at it.
I can't understand, Mario. How is he gonna count down for me? I didn't even pedal as fast as I could though.
Wow. Wow. Dang. Impressive, Fetty. That was still very well done.
I should have pedaled faster.
I think the only thing was like the slower corners when you almost hit.
Yeah.
That's your.
And you were slowing down.
Yeah, you were like going super slow around some of them.
Man, I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know how I feel, Gabe. But I'm gonna give it my best and do it for, not for Becky, I'm doing it for all the empanadas. Yeah. Woo!
Yeah, big fella.
Woo! Oh my God, dude.
Push it, Mario!
No, no.
How you feel, Mario?
Can't breathe. I can't talk. Honestly, I didn't know it was gonna take that much energy. Like, it seems easy. Once you're in it, you realize it's really hard. I'm glad I did it though. That was fun.
Let's go.
Moves Slacker, it's on you.
Boom, you're up.
The second time I've been on a trike. My name's Nick. I do marketing for Braille. You know, this is not gonna be easy for me, man. I'm like wearing snowshoes today because it's so darn cold. They're even like fluffy lined. My feet keep sliding. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Oh God. No! I have to do this. Oh God! Ah. Holy God. Wait, where am I going? Okay. 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 This is. I'm a little lightheaded, like Uzi. This is where my mind goes when I get tired. But yeah, man, that was really hard. Much respect to the Uzi and to the Fetty.
Uzi, you won. Congratulations.
Good job. Oh, is this
Good
the
job.
final?
Everyone just give Uzi a round of
Is this the
applause real
outro?
quick. Well done, Uzi.
Good job, Uzi.
Thank you. Thank you.
Would you like to thank anyone?
Thank you for everyone who believed in me. All my sponsors. Taylor Swift, if you're watching this. I think that's it.
Hey, what about Becky? The official order of victory is, in first place, Uzi Walker. Congratulations on your first drift trike win. Oh, and Uzi had a time of 52 seconds and 30 milliseconds. In second place, we have Fetty with 53 seconds and 82 milliseconds. In third place,
Hey, you got a medal.
moi, bronze medal, 1 minute and 67 milliseconds. Third place, Gabe Cruz. All right, in fourth place is Mario. Fifth place is Aussie. Sixth place is Boom. And Carlos got last place? How the heck did Carlos get last place? That was a lot of fun. Everyone actually killed it in their own way. The fact that Boom Slacker actually got on a drift trike is amazing.
Yes.
Yeah, and that grind I hit, even though it was not that long, very surprised I landed that.
And Mario's grind. Mario hit the grind
Yeah,
too.
exactly. See, this just pushed everyone past their drift trike limits, and it was a lot of fun. So I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you'd like to see another time trials race like this again, let us know, and we'll
Maybe on our
definitely do that.
skateboards.
Yeah, maybe on our skateboards, maybe a better course. Carlos, you got last place,
I'm
my
in
friend.
last place.
It's all right though.
Jeez.
It was fun. It was fun.
Boom Slacker beat me.
Yeah.
I will take that with dignity.
He gave you the.
If you're not first, you're last.
He gave you the boom and the last.
So, like I said, you guys, if you want to see more of this, let us know in a comment below. And until then, please subscribe, please like, and leave a comment below. And I know this video is not about skateboarding, it's about drift trikes, but it's really important to show a bunch of friends having fun. So,
We have other hobbies other than skateboarding, so it's good to have us go out there and just show you what else we have fun doing, okay?
Exactly.
Other than skateboarding.
So you guys can go out there, you guys can skate, and you guys can have fun doing anything as long as you put your mind to it. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and check us all out on Instagram. Fetty Potter, Gabe Cruz01, Carlos _24, Feisty Cadaver, Uzi Walker, Mario SB95, Boom Slacker. Did I miss anyone?